Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how I shave my head super fast. I'll be going over my shaving process and I'll be showing you exactly what I do for the most part to shave my head really quickly. So first and foremost, I do this in the shower, so the setup time is almost nothing. And I use soap on my head instead of shaving cream, which the soap is already in the shower, so it makes it even faster. And my razor is already in the shower as well, for the most part, so it makes it even faster. Sometimes I forget my razor because we have multiple showers, so sometimes I'll use a different shower and I'll forget my razor and I'll just shave my head the next day. It's not a big deal. So I'm going to show you exactly what I do. I'm going to sort of be taking my glasses off and putting them back on, just throughout the process. So I'm just going to get some water and I'm just going to wet my head. And generally speaking, when I'm in the shower, my head is already wet. Not generally speaking, but like basically, honestly speaking, when I'm in the shower, honestly speaking, my head is already wet. So what I do is I get some soap. Like I said, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to wet the soap just to get it sort of like pre-moistened, I guess. And I get the soap and I go and I put it all over my head. So I lubricate my head with the soap. So I have some soap on my hands and I just put it all over my head. Now, usually it's more moist than this because I am in the shower, but we're just going to keep it simple like that. Okay, I'm just going to rinse my hands. I'm going to be honest with you, my vision is really bad, so I really can't see much right now, okay? I do know that this is my razor though, and I'm just going to wet the razor, and basically I have a process that I use. So I take my razor, and I'm just going to leave the water running slightly, just so I can rinse the razor without having to touch the faucet over and over again. But basically, I take my razor and I start at the back here. I'll turn around to show you what I do. And I go like this. I start in this corner. Hopefully I'm on the camera frame. And then I rinse the razor, okay? Very simple. I keep going like this. Okay, when I get to the side over here, I basically go like this, rinse the razor. Okay? At the side, I'll make sure I get a good line for my sideburns, basically something like that. Okay? Just like that. And then I go like this to get all the hairs that are growing sort of in a little bit of a different direction. And I rinse the razor. Now, part of the reason why I'm able to do it fast is because I'm prepared already in the shower. Everything's ready to go. And I use the same process. So now I go across the back of my head, just like this. Okay? And as you can see, I'm using my hand to feel, I'm using this hand over here to feel where I need to do and to guide my shaving hand. So I'm using this hand over here without the razor to guide the hand with the razor, okay? Once I hit this part over here, I basically make sure, because sometimes I forget this part, on occasion, I have forgotten it from time to time, but I'll go and just get that little line there. There's like a fold in the skin back there. I'll just hit that line like that, and I'll get my neck area so that I don't look like an animal. Because I am a very hairy person, other than my head. I have no hair on my head, but I got hair, like, just literally, my entire chest area is hair. Like, just straight through here. I'm just, I'm an Italian stallion. What can I say, okay? Now I move across the side here, the back of this side, okay? And it's getting a little bit dry, to be honest with you. Usually in the shower, I would probably put some more soap, but it's okay, we're good. I'm gonna continue going across this way over here. Once again, get a nice sideburn line, just like this. Okay? And I'm just gonna continue. I'm just gonna make sure, yeah, we're still recording. I can't really see. I just want to make sure the video is still going. But I'm gonna go up like this, like I said. And we're gonna go this way to get any hairs that are growing this way. Okay, and now all we gotta do is the top, okay? I think I got something in my mouth, a piece of fuzz or something, who knows? I have 4 kids, okay? I have a son and 3 daughters. So my son's hair is pretty short, but my daughter's hair, all 3 of my daughters, their hair is long. So there's always hair. I'm getting hair. I'm feeling it in my shirt that I pull it out when I put on a shirt that's fresh from my drawer, from the laundry. It's caught in my glasses, in my mouth, everywhere. There's always hair somewhere. So I'm used to it. Anyways, I'm going to get a little bit of water up here just to moisten up that soap that's up there. And then I just go across the top like this. And I'm going to be honest with you, there's basically almost nothing up here. So at the top, it's not such a big deal over here because there's virtually no hair there. There's just a little stray hair here and there, okay? But the entire process in the shower when I'm not explaining it, probably takes like a few minutes. I would say like maybe 3 minutes. And over here, because this is like I guess where the hair goes in different directions, like, I don't know if it's called the crown or something like that. I'm not exactly sure, to be honest with you. But because the hair goes in the hair grows in different directions, I basically shave in a couple different directions right when I get to that top. Okay? And then what I'll do usually is I'll just, like, I know I got all the hair basically because I felt it with the other end, but I'll just take my hand and just go like this. Okay, yeah, everything feels good. If I want to do a superb job, like for some reason I have to get like the best head shave that I can possibly get, then I'll really make sure I got everything. But if it's just a regular day, I'm going to be honest with you, I'm at the stage in life where I don't really care too much if I miss a hair here or there. So that's good enough for me. And as you can see, like, it is super, super smooth. You know, my head shave it's great and it's fast. So basically that's how I shave it super fast. I have everything ready to go. I make it as seamless as possible to get started. And because of the process that I do, most of the time I don't have to repeat anything, I don't have to go over anything, and it's the same process, so it's just really, really quick. And the good thing about having a process is also, if you get interrupted, let's say I'm shaving my head and I gotta stop for some reason, because of my process, I already know where I did and where I need to do. If I could just feel, you know, where I stopped shaving, and I'll know what was already done and what needs to be done next. So it really, really helps. I'm just gonna wipe this up, okay? It really, really helps, and that's how I shave my head super fast, you know, in the shower, a few minutes, maybe 3 minutes, something like that. I used to shave my head every second day, like, you know, very, very consistently. And then, like I said, you know, I have a really busy lifestyle. And like I said, I'm at the stage of life where I don't really care too much. So I shave my head now sometimes once every 3 days, sometimes every second day, sometimes once every 5 days, 6 days, even 7 days. It depends. Sometimes it gets to be a little bit too much, right? You know, in terms of like the hair gets to be too long when it's been about a week. But on occasion, like most of the time, it's like every 3 to 5 days now. But yeah, on occasion, maybe 6, 7 days here and there, once every blue moon. But anyways, that's basically it. I just wanted to show you the process. If you shave your head as well, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you can allow yourself to speed up your process as well. And that's it. I mean, even if you don't speed up your process, hopefully you can use some of the tips that I went over in this video to just make it better for yourself or easier for yourself. Anyways, that's truly it. Hopefully you liked this video. Other than that, I've got nothing else. So nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.